Here are 5 tips to help you produce your best art. Number 1, devote yourself to mastery. Choose a medium and stick to it. While trying new things is great, we want to avoid dabbling in too many different mediums or ideas. Repetition is the mother of all skills. This is about playing the long game and getting your 1,000 hours in. Consider how you will improve if you focus on honing your craft and applying that specific medium over time. Learning new techniques and practicing your craft as a student will invariably mean you're moving towards mastery. A great book to get you in the mindset of becoming a master is Mastery by George Leonard. He says, "Consistency of practice is the mark of the master." Number 2, make art like no one's watching. Allow yourself to make bad art. Make mistakes and learn from them. Making art is a process that requires deep work and focus, and the best way to get to a place of deep work is to ignore your critics and keep making the things that you want to make. Remember, it's your vision. The direction you take will sustain you through a long career and produce work that's truly meaningful to you. Number 3, quantity equals quality. There are no shortcuts when it comes to making your best art. This takes time and dedication. If you have studied art, you will know to refer to your work as a practice. That's because no one can teach you how to make your art. Only you can prepare yourself. That means consistently practicing how to do your work. I remember an interview with one of my favorite artists, Grayson Perry, saying something along the lines of, "I can teach you how to make my last piece of work, but I can't teach you how I will make the next one." I love this statement. It clearly shows the mindset you need as an artist to keep teaching yourself how to pursue your craft. Number 4, create without judgment. What I'm mainly referring to here are our subjective judgments, commonly displayed in limiting beliefs or negative thoughts about ourselves or our work. Rather than an objective statement that perhaps you used the wrong shade of green when painting a tree, this is about allowing yourself to create freely without self-editing during the making process. Make art with humor. Don't take yourself or your art too seriously. This might seem counterintuitive when you're devoting yourself to mastery, but I would argue that the best art is made when we are in a playful state. Feeling calm and relaxed allows the work to flow out of you without any friction. And lastly, number 5, follow the process. This is about allowing your art to lead you on a journey, and perhaps even to places you didn't expect to go. Dissatisfaction with an artwork can be a good thing if you use it to drive yourself towards improving and doing it better next time. That's why most artists work in series. Creating different variants of the same core concept allows you to hone your skill and push your art towards perfection, all while knowing perfection is unobtainable. Let your previous artworks dictate what you will produce in your next piece of work. Question how you can do something slightly better or with a slight twist. Notice how these 5 mindset shifts overlap. To do your best work, you must devote yourself to it with extreme focus, trust the process, make art again and again without judging it. Perceive your work as a means to itself, and you will be able to keep striving to create your best work over the long haul. I don't know about you, but I want to create art for the rest of my life. Hoping that I will continue to produce better work will keep me making art well into my old age, and I hope the same for you. I wish you all the best on your artist journey. Let me know how you strive to do your best work in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next week, have a good week. Goodbye.